In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Dget formula in Excel. To get started, you will need to look at your worksheet and find the area where you want the extracted lookup value to appear. The Dget formula is designed to return a single value from a dataset, as long as the criteria match exactly one record. Because you are extracting a specific result, it is important to choose a cell that is ready to display the outcome. Now, click cell F2. This is where your extracted lookup value will display. When you click it, you should see the cell reference highlighted, usually showing that F2 is the active cell. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct cell, because running the formula will place the result directly into that spot. Next, you will type the Dget formula into the formula bar or directly into the cell depending on your Excel setup. In this example, the formula you will enter is Dget A1C6, salary E1E2. As you type, focus on keeping the structure exactly the same, including punctuation, quotation marks, parentheses, and spacing where it matters. Dget is sensitive to the way the arguments are written, so accuracy is key here. Before you press enter, let us quickly walk through what each part means, so the formula feels less like a mystery. The first part, A1C6, refers to the table or range of cells where Excel should look for matching data. This is the dataset you are searching within. The next part, salary, is the field or column name that tells Excel which value to return. Because it is in quotation marks, Excel will treat it as a text label, meaning it should match the column header in your range. The last part, E1, E2, is the criteria range. This is where Excel will check the conditions that you have set up. Excel compares your criteria in E1, E2 against the rows inside A1, C6. Then Excel finds the row that satisfies the criteria. Because Dget is specifically intended for returning one value, it will work best when the criteria identify only one matching record. If multiple rows match, Excel may return an error. If no rows match, Excel will also not return the value you expect. That is why choosing correct criteria is just as important as writing the formula correctly. Now that your formula is typed, press enter to run the lookup. As soon as you press enter, Excel will calculate the result based on the range, the field name, and the criteria you provided. You should immediately see a value appear in cell F2. If everything is set up correctly, it will show the extracted salary that corresponds to your criteria. If the result is not what you expected, you do not need to rewrite the entire process from scratch. You can simply double-check your criteria in E1 and E2, and also confirm that the field name salary matches the header in the A1-C6 range. But in the normal case, when the criteria match exactly one row, the formula will return the correct single value. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to use the Dget formula in Excel and extract your lookup value into cell F2